Hey everyone, welcome back to our Venture Life. Today, we're stepping into this brand new 2026 Keystone Bullet 208 MKS, priced at $28,995. And right away, this one is clearly designed as a half-ton towable couples camper that tries to fix a lot of common complaints. The moment you walk in, you get that familiar layout feel, but with a few smart adjustments. No privacy curtain up front for the bedroom area, so it's fully open into the main space. Some people won't like that, but it does keep everything feeling open and easy to move through. You'll also notice the barrel-style ceiling right away, giving it that slightly arched interior look, and the lighting follows that curve nicely. Up front, we've got a true 60 by 80 queen bed. Space on both sides is actually pretty usable, especially if you're a side sleeper and like to drop your arm off the edge at night. On both sides of the bed, you've got power outlets built into the headboard area, and even little elevated storage pockets where you can run charging cables through. That's handy if you don't want your phone lighting up the whole room while you're trying to sleep. Above the bed, storage is done really well. The overhead cabinets hold themselves open, and there's interior lighting so you can actually see what you're grabbing at night. One thing to keep in mind though, some of those hanging closet edges do come down with a bit of a sharp corner, so just be aware of headspace. Under the bed, you'll find ** aluminum framing **, which gives it a more solid feel compared to lighter built wood frame setups. Moving into the main living area, the TV setup is more compact. It's not a big entertainment-focused RV, it's more of a travel and use camper. The TV is mounted in a boxed-in style and doesn't perfectly face the seating area, so it's not ideal for long movie nights, but it gets the job done. Around the seating, you've got a slide-out layout where the sofa and chairs still allow decent walking space even when reclined. One thing to note is if you fully extend seating, things can get tight depending on your height, so it's definitely a live together and move together kind of space. Charging is actually better than expected here. You've got ** USB Type-A and Type-C ports on both sides of the slide **, which is a nice touch. There's also a ** low-profile electric heater * built into the wall area. It's compact, but delivers similar performance to larger units found in higher-end rigs, just without taking up storage space. One interesting design choice is the small wall pockets above and around the heater. They're shallow, but usable for light storage. Now in the kitchen, this is where this camper really starts to feel practical. You've got a ** full L-shaped countertop **, but instead of a raised breakfast bar, it's all one flat surface. That actually makes it more usable for spreading out food, prepping, or even using it as a multi-purpose surface. The slide system here is a cable slide design, and storage underneath is very functional. Appliances include a ** 12V compressor fridge, around 10 cubic feet **, plus a ** 3-in-1 microwave, convection and air fryer unit **. Below that is a ** 3-burner cooktop with a small propane oven **. It's compact but usable. Drawer storage is actually a nice surprise. There are ** 4 drawers with a more decorative finish than typical plain RV interiors **. There's also smart use of otherwise wasted space in lower cabinets, giving you extra storage pockets. Under the flooring, you've got ** Hypercore composite flooring **, which is wood-free and designed for durability. Plumbing runs are clean, and you're not seeing cheap flexible hose shortcuts in key areas. Storage-wise, you've got adjustable shelving inside a pantry-style cabinet. And this is also where the ** converter and fuse box are located **. Easy to access, but out of the way. The bathroom is compact, but well thought out for the size. You've got a ** rectangular shower **, but it is on the smaller side, about 28 inches wide, so you'll be turning slightly inside it. The good part is the ** large skylight overhead **, which adds headroom so taller users won't feel too boxed in. The toilet space itself is comfortable and not cramped, especially for a camper in this size class. One thing to keep in mind is the slide-out position. When closed, it can create a tight pass-through situation that may limit movement from bed to bathroom while traveling. So that's something to be aware of in real-world use. When it comes to travel setup, this RV rides on a ** Norco chassis system **, paired with ** torsion suspension and Goodyear tires **. That combination gives it a smoother ride than a lot of standard travel trailers in this category. It's generally considered ** half-ton towable **, but of course that depends on your exact truck and setup. One important operational note: this uses an ** exact slide system **, so when extending or retracting the slide, you need to keep holding the button until it fully completes its cycle. Don't stop it midway. The underbelly is ** fully enclosed and heated **, giving you an extended season capability for colder camping. Water heating is handled by an ** on-demand system placed near the kitchen and bathroom area **, which improves efficiency. Outside, this Bullet has a strong presence with ** large LED exterior lighting ** and a full-length power awning that really covers a wide area. You've got ** slam latch baggage doors with magnetic holdbacks **, which makes loading gear easier and cleaner. There's also a dedicated spot for stabilizer controls, including a small drill adapter so you can raise and lower jacks faster if needed. The outdoor setup includes a ** griddle station area **, plus exterior storage access that ties into the kitchen layout inside. Suspension and tire setup is one of the more expensive parts of this build, but it's what gives it that smoother travel feel. At the rear, you've got a ** single sewer outlet system **, so setup is simple and straightforward without multiple connections. There's no rear ladder included, although the roof is walkable. Docking connections are placed in a clean, enclosed center compartment. One thing to note is the roof-mounted speaker setup, which is loud and effective, but definitely something you'll notice at the campground. So overall, this 2026 Keystone Bullet 208 MKS at $28,995 is a clean, practical couples travel trailer. It focuses more on usability, storage, and travel efficiency rather than oversized luxury features. It's not perfect. Tight shower space, no bedroom curtain, and slide limitations when closed, but it delivers a solid, functional layout for real-world camping. This is our venture life, and that's your full walkthrough.